Hey guys, it's Chris Elsis again with Smart Home Air and Heat. I want to thank you very much for clicking on that button that says preventative maintenance. This is a big deal to Smart Home Air and Heat just because 90% of the time it is not done correctly. If you've ever had your preventative maintenance done by a company, have they ever included cleaning the coils in that? Have they ever made sure that they got into the condenser and moved all the leaves underneath where the compressor lies? Most of them don't. Most of them offer you a very cheap preventative maintenance deal, and all they're doing is trying to get into your home so they can sell you more stuff. If they don't do the preventative maintenance right, what makes us believe that they're going to do the parts right or what they're diagnosing is correct? Here at Smart Home Air and Heat, we do things a little bit different. A preventative maintenance to us isn't checking a capacitor, it isn't checking a contactor, it's actually cleaning the unit, it's actually doing a complete checkup, putting on our job links, making sure that the internal pieces are working correctly and every single part is functioning as it should. Not only that, at the very end of every single job or preventative maintenance we do, we send you a video, not only with all the proof of everything that we've done, but we send you a video of all the stats that was taken during your preventative maintenance. We would never offer to change a part, sell you anything without proper proof and documentation that it is done. And the good news is we are all certified. We're EPA certified and trained up to NATE certification standards. I'm going to show you something real quick. This is going to be a different video because I want to take you outside over to this customer's condenser and show you a little bit different of how we do the preventative maintenance. I'm sorry if this is running too long. I'll go ahead and start showing you right now. Hey guys, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you an example of just real quick of a preventative maintenance. Now the homeowner isn't home, we're waiting for them, even though their garage door is open. But follow me, actually let me show you. Guys, with every single one of our preventative maintenance, it comes with a checklist. That checklist is going to tell you, our customers, exactly what you do and what we do for the preventative maintenance itself. It's extremely important to do that. Now a preventative maintenance just doesn't mean we come over and check a capacitor, a contactor, or anything else like that. A preventive maintenance should also be a cleaning. And that's something that's very, very, very important. So this is a split unit here, we'll be doing it. It's running right now. As you can see right here in the fan, one of the things they don't do is they don't check this, pick that up and clean it. This right here, they don't take the fan or the coil covers off and spray the coils off. Now, why is that important? Because if you don't have clean coils, just like this straw, if you were to insert it and go like this, you'd be breathing through a straw. You don't want your unit to breathe through a straw, just like you don't want to breathe through a straw. If your preventative maintenance company is just coming over here, taking off the side panel and checking your capacitor to sell you another one, they do not care. They don't. So if you want a preventive maintenance done from A to Z, we also hook up our job links to make sure that the internals of the system is working. If they don't have some sort of a job links or a way to actually hook up and check to make sure everything's copacetic, I use the word copacetic, then they're not doing their job right. So down underneath me is going to be a phone number. It's 407-465-7777. Give us a call. We'll be more than happy to talk to you. If you have any questions whatsoever, give us a call. Make sure if you get a preventative maintenance, they are really doing a preventative maintenance. You guys have a great day. Thank you very much. Take care.